What's up, YouTube? Man, first, I just want to say, way to end the week on a phenomenal note, guys. Listen, guys, major salute. We had a great week this week in the stock market. Get in the Discord, man. If you're part of that, you already know what I'm referring to. You already know how it goes down, how we put it down. But I just want to kind of salute you guys, but also tell you, let's continue to build on that into next week and then the weeks beyond to close out this month on a high note and then take this momentum all the way to March. Okay, listen, guys, we had another week in the market where we had opportunity, and that's all you want when you're trying to make money, when you're trying to invest, when you're trying to build wealth. Okay, and this week gave us just that. And so what I love is the guys that were able to get your feet wet. You were able to take advantage of opportunities that presented itself. Guys, in that, you're going to have some wins, you're going to have some losses. It is all part of the progress, and I want you to embrace it. Okay, with that being said, I want to share with you guys on today. This is one of my plays. This was a Apple, what was this? An Apple put at the time. Okay, the stock was trending down at this point in time, and this is why it's important that you take advantage of where the current trend is going. I often talk about the trend is your friend. And in the morning time to midday, the stock was trending down from like the 153, 152 down to 150 level. And I was all over it, guys, as you see here. Okay, another 100 plus contracts. You guys know how I do. All right, but again, a quick 14% play. And I want to get you guys to a level through practice and repetition of taking the shot. Okay, one shot, one kill, so that we can begin to graduate from $100 a day to $1,000 a day. And then, guys, you're gonna see the difference it makes in what you guys are able to do. Okay, now mind you, you guys, I love even yesterday's example. You know what I'm saying? 400 here, 200 there, 600 here. You can stack the wins together, guys. It makes the world of difference. But you guys did your thing on this week, and I want us to build off of that. With that being said, guys, we want to take a look at the fact that plays such as the SPY, Apple, even Tesla held up today. Okay, they showed a lot of strong support when they had every reason to go down. Okay, that's a sign, but that's a sign on two fronts. Okay, meaning, yes, today they didn't break down, but they did get wobbled. They did get rocked. If I got any boxers out there, okay? However, this means that with the strength we show, we can potentially try to recapture some of the moves we made earlier this week that we fell from. But it also could be we got a little less strength, and they may have the power with some more heavy blows to kind of push us down for next week. Regardless, guys, I'm excited. It's something that I look forward to, but more importantly, it's something we will take advantage of together as a family. Okay, so do me a favor and just make sure you're locked, loaded, and ready to go and to do your thing on next week. Make sure, as I often say, we're managing our risks. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that we are not revenge trading, that we're not over trading, that when we see profit, we take profit. Because, guys, at the end of the day, as much fun as we have doing what we do around here, guys, it all comes down to risk management, okay? Not blowing up your account. If you can just not do that, and you can survive to play another play and play another day, you guys will quickly see, you know what, man, I can make something of this. You know what, I can start making what I make at my job. I can use this as supplemental income. I can use this to one day leave my job. That's how powerful this is. But it's not about the money, guys. It's about you managing your emotions, you managing your risks, you not getting greedy, you being patient, you being disciplined. Those are the key things that keeps you in this game, okay? Those are the elements that I want us to continue to focus on and us to continue to work on each and every day. I'm not giving out these plays for no reason. I'm not teaching you guys this for no reason. I'm not helping you guys make money for no reason. Around here, it's about the holistic development of your mindset and your trading and just psychology and your psychology around money that will help you sustain yourself in this game, okay? And so again, guys, I just want to say keep up the good work. We got an opportunity next week to get right back after it, and I want you guys to take the weekend to reflect, jot some notes down if you can. If you guys were sitting here with me, I got all kind of paper all over my desk, okay? Notes. I'm tracking everything. I want you guys to track everything. Track your results, your wins, your losses, okay? Track it all, because eventually success is going to be measured by if your wins outweighed your losses. I expect you to have losses. I have losses, okay? Sometimes I purposely will be down or take a loss so I can see the direction clearly in the play, hurry up and exit that play, and then boom, jump in a winning play, okay? You're going to accumulate losses, but it's part of your strategy. It's not something that I want you guys doing for the sake of just blowing up your account, okay? But track it though. You'll start to see, oh, I won on this play. This was the setup that helped me be victorious. Man, I lost right here because I thought the market was going to do this, and then the market did that. You want to track those things, guys. You want to jot those things down, and you want to then use them to improve your trading, okay? And all of this translates over to finding entries for your option plays, okay? It all translates over to you knowing when to exit, because you might have been winning in a play. You might have been up 10, 11, 12% in a play that you could have locked in profits, but you held trying to hold out for another $2, another $30, when you could have just locked it in, okay? Again, guys, it's a beautiful game when done right. And it's a high-level game of chess that I want you guys to embrace. More importantly, I want you guys to lean into, okay? With that being said, guys, check this out. We have a 3-day weekend, all right? Just some housekeeping rules, okay? Over the weekend, I'll try to drop some videos where I'm teaching and pulling out the charts and kind of going over some things with you. But more importantly, listen to this. Monday, the market is closed. So we have a shortened week. You got a 3-day weekend, but a 4-day work week, okay? So I need you to come refreshed, locked in come Tuesday morning, because we coming right out the gate. We coming right out the gate and getting to it, okay? Because we already down one day, okay? So be ready for that. Be on the lookout for that. But use these 3 days to kind of reflect, to kind of go over your trading strategy. And I talked about this in a YouTube short the other day. Use this weekend to make sure you have a viable plan in place. Guys, we're not just trading the trade. You're not just throwing a play in for the sake of throwing a play in. Nope, I'm getting in here and I'm getting out there. That's a plan, okay? That's a strategy, okay? That's a process. I'm getting in on the pullback, and then if it pulls back to this level, when it hits support, if it doesn't break through support, I'm going to enter at support and ride this back up to resistance. That's a plan, okay? You're not just doing this for the sake of doing it. I'm getting in here, and then once I'm up 5%, I'm locking in profit. Okay, once I'm up 30%, I'm locking in profit, and I'm not going to be mad about it running some more, okay? Because I've lost enough in the past to know that it can turn on me at any time, all right? And listen, guys, we don't have to try to get all our losses back in one trade. Please avoid doing that too. That's one thing that'll trip you up on your journey, is trying to use your next trade to make back for all your previous historical losses, okay? Take it one day at a time, one play at a time. Take it one trade at a time, one play at a time, okay? That will help you also sustain yourself. That will help you maintain your discipline. That will ensure that you keep yourself in the game, okay? With that being said, man, I just want to one more time say major salute to all of you that did your thing today. And I want to tell you, let's build on it. And don't get it twisted. Build it. Everything is not about did you make money. You could have just lost less this week. And I'm just as excited about the person that made $30, $100, $1,000. I hope that makes sense, okay? In this game, you got to first learn how to lose in order to be successful. Don't let that message go over your head. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.